So today I'd like to present you this item, a clip or a clamp. Now what can we use this clip for? You might know this problem. You have this stew from Sunday in this bowl. You want to put the ladle there and splash, the ladle is covered in sauce. Now to avoid that, we can use this clip. Put it here, click, then put the label again, click, and it holds. You can see I can even move it around a little bit and it still doesn't fall off. So we've seen here now a red rounded item. We also have this in green, in yellow. I can use it as a napkin holder, as we see here. Then I also have this one. It's black and rather angular, futuristic looking. So you can see it. Can use it as a clip anyways. For example, if I want to say in a restaurant, okay, now this ball, what does it hold? It holds my soup. All right, here we go. I can move it around again, you can see. The next one I have here is this gray one. You can see the jaws are bent a little bit. This is especially useful if you want to fasten rounded objects. Let's see, for example, in Asia, I've heard, maybe you've heard it as well, they use scaffolding for building, which they make of bamboo. And let's try to put this. Yeah, all right. So, and you can see again it holds the two bamboo sticks. And if you think of it, it might be made of metal, not of plastic, then you can imagine that it has its uses in construction or industry as well. Quite a lot of different applications for this clamp, and yeah, while I'm sitting here I can surely think of another one. Let's see, for example, if I'm breakfasting and I have my porridge in this bowl and at the same time I want to read the news, that's possible as well. I put my phone here and again it holds. So if you have any ideas, just let me know, and I especially appreciate if you like my idea and share it with your friends. Thank you.